Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today you have me, Ryan, Niall behind the camera.
Hello.
And we're looking at this gorgeous red 72 Chevelle SS, and it's a 454 car. What's also cool about this car is it's a factory air car. However, it's not hooked up yet. Our seller is going to be doing that in the near future though. So if you notice the engine bay compartment, you're going to see no hoses. Don't worry, that is coming soon. The paint on this is quite strong. I think these are, these are vinyl on the top. Vinyl top though here is looking very good. So coming here a little bit closer, Nyla. A lot of times when you see these and when they're not done right, they kind of shrink and they start pulling away from the trim pieces here, but that is not the case in any parts of this top. No bubbles either, so we're not worrying about any type of rust or anything like that. It's just a pretty car. Automatic car, the 3-speed, and it looks like we have a virtually all original interior except for that radio. Very strong though. I'm excited to go take this for a spin.
For sure.
All right, well, let's go ahead and let's hit the road and see how she handles.
Alrighty.
Here on the road, and a couple things right off the bat. All of our gauges do appear to be working, including our clock, which is pretty rare. Really nice to see that. We got a temp sensor and our fuel gauge, although it is pinged out, we did just fill it up, but it is moving, as you're gonna see here. But yeah, this thing has got quite a bit of power. That motor really throws out some torque. Power steering feels really smooth, very buttery. And our brakes are also solid as well. Here, let me do a little brake check for us. As you can see, I barely have my hand on the wheel, holding a straight line as we want. And she's stopping for us. Let me go make a U-turn, then we'll really hop on her as we head back to the shop to put her up in the air. Power steering though, man, this feels really strong. Burning a little bit of rubber there. Shifting smoothly too. Oh yeah, smell that rubber, baby. So if you're looking for some good old American muscle, man, this fits the bill. Yeah, I like this a lot. I think these are really cool cars. 69 through 72 for me are the years to be having. So, but anyway, thanks for tagging on. We're gonna go put her up in the air, get her on the lift, and show you guys the underbelly.
Alrighty. Thanks, guys.